A very good afternoon, children. Today we will start with our fourth lesson from Balbharti, Your Own Book of Science. Children, this lesson has two parts. We will start with the first part now. You may come across simple but amazing science experiments in magazines, newspaper supplements, or on the internet. Collect any 5 to 8 experiments you like. Ask your parents or teachers whether the experiments are safe. Then carry out the experiments. If necessary, take the help of your parents or teachers. Record the experiments on separate sheets in your own book of science. Children, experiment means a carefully planned test used to discover something unknown. We use special equipment for the experiments. Now children, you should always cultivate the habit of reading books, magazines, newspapers, etc. so that you can collect informations and perform simple experiments. And you can make your own book. You can keep the record of all the experiments you have done in a book and you can name it Book of Science. But children, remember, whenever you try out any experiment of your own, you should inform your elders, parents or teachers about its safety. You should carry out the experiments under their guidance and support. Now children, we have an example. You all know that we are at home now, correct? Why? Because of the coronavirus. This virus is spread all over the world and scientists are taking a lot of effort to get a vaccine for this virus. So children, experiments help us to get new inventions. Now children, I will show you a simple experiment through a video. Lifting of ice experiment. Lifting an ice cube experiment. Now children, in this experiment, we need a glass of water. It is not compulsory but important is the ice cubes. Thread, common salt. These are the things that we require to do this experiment. Now we have to place that ice cube in a dish or in the water and place the thread on it. Okay, will the thread carry the ice? Can the thread carry the ice? No. Now we sprinkle some common salt on the top of the ice cube and wait for 10 to 20 seconds. Now hold the ends of the thread and pick them up. What happens? You can see the ice cube hanging without any support. We can carry the ice through a string. We can lift the ice through a string. Children, this happens, why you know? Because when you add salt to the ice cube, the salt lowers the melting point and the water cools down further and refrozens around the string. So the string holds the ice properly. Now children, what you have to do is, you have to do this experiment at home and you can send me a video or a pic. Okay, hope you understood. It is a very exciting lesson. So please follow the instructions and do the experiment at home and send me the video. Thank you children.